Okay, so let's do the constructions question, question 11. So it says use a straight edge. Basically, that's a ruler, but you're not going to actually measure anything. Compasses, so these bad boys, to bisect the angle. So bisect, it's going to be split an angle into exactly two. So it's got to look like that when you've done it. So bisect is cut up, but into two equal parts. So set your compass out. Now, as long as the lines cross over okay, you don't have to change this now. You don't have to measure it to a particular point, but you don't have to change it now. So I'm going to put the pointy end here, right at that end here, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to put a single arc that crosses both lines. Okay, you don't need the middle bit, you just need these points here. So that gives you these 2 points to work with. I'm not going to change that at all. I'm going to then use the pointy end here, and I'm just going to put one arc in, and then pointy end again over here. I'm going to put another arc in. Oof, using my left hand here, skills. Okay, and then this is going to give me a midpoint here. So you do this in pencil, I'm going to do it red so it shows up better. That line, that is the angle bisector. Okay, next up, we've got to construct, so we've still got our mathematical tools out, the perpendicular bisector. So perpendicular is 90 degrees. Bisect means to cut something exactly in half. So we're going to take a line and we're going to cut it in half, and it's got to have 90 degrees here. But we're not going to use a protractor at all. Okay, so no protractor whatsoever. So set out your compasses. As long as this is more than halfway, it's going to work. So as long as it's kind of more than halfway, this should work okay. So I'm going to set it here, and all I'm going to do is going to put an arc down there. I'm going to swap round, and I'm going to do an arc the other way, and this is going to give us crossover points, these points here. And again, I'm doing this in red, but you do this in pencil. These are nice faint lines that you leave in, and then you put your answer line exactly here. Okay, so you do that in pencil, and you'll notice that that is 90 degrees and it's halfway between the points, so it's a perpendicular bisector of that angle.